Looks like Rita's is rocking tonight. Was that the fin poof and something? Hobby. Man. What do we got? Not too much or anything. Cone, sweet cone. Open. Got my fix the other night. Really love it. Mr. G's is open. There was a wine place back there too. I gotta get the name on it and stuff. I just yeah, that place is, yeah, it seems pretty popular. Man, the one night they had a Beatles band playing there. They were playing all just straight Beatles music, and if I remember correctly, I couldn't leave. Loved it. Bit of a Beatles fan, kinda, sorta. Sweets, candy store. Oh, hey, Ryder. This one. Oh no, another store closed up. And Varsity, you know, big sign says they'll be back. Blue and Gray Bar and Grill, they're doing carry out. Man, that smells good, that hot dog cart. Oh, piss off. Mama Ventura. Gettysburg. You know, people are driving ignorant though. The Thai elephant walk. They're good. There's Ernie's, they're open. Gettysburg Craft Beer, Food 101. There again. Carry on. Geez, I just can't keep rattling them off. Crazy. And this is my opportunity to swing around. It's a pretty little barn. Carriage house, probably. I didn't catch my other video when I played in some alleys over here. I head back down into town, see what's doing. CJ's Takeout doing all right. Huh, never really noticed those buildings. Well, it says open for carry out. I'm jonesing for some breakfast. Wifey and I were talking, like, getting breakfast for takeout just kind of takes away from the experience. Hey, look at this. I'm just gonna ride around. Do. Get the pub on camera. Why not? No cigar shops open. Gentlemen, the traffic's down, but usually when you get somebody behind you, they're still not nice. Ghosts of Gettysburg, candlelight walking tours. Oh, the 1863 escape room. That's was that Reed's Winery? But the escape room is back there too. I got it. Man, I don't know why I keep missing that. Yay, come sweet come. Again. I got that on the way in. Body and Soul. Psychic readings. Rosie's. Avenue Restaurant. I don't know, man. Hey, Ryder. T-shirt. Place. Dobbin House. 82. Yay. Yeah, Dobbin House. Man. Tommy's. Got a line. Pretty popular, as always. Nothing new there. So, Gettysburg Bike Week is still happening, still going on. There's Gettysburg Eddies. And Dairy Queen Chill. A little late. None of the vape shops are open. Appalachian Brewing Company. And as always, seating's all closed off and everything. Heritage Center. There's the Best Western and the Lincoln Train Museum. Friendly's. Friendly's is kind of antisocial right now. McDonald's, you know, that's kind of whatever. KFC, if you watch my other videos, you know how I feel about that stuff. Blech.